Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix you do not have sufficient access to uninstall Windows 11. To start, in the search box, enter Control. Open the Control panel. After that, click on User Accounts and click on User Accounts again. After that, click on the line Change User Account Control Settings. In the displayed window, lower the slider to the option Never Notify. Click OK, click Yes to confirm. After this, in the search box enter CMD. Click Run as administrator. If necessary, click Yes to authorize. After that, in the console execute the command netuser administrator /active:yes. Press Enter. After this, in the search box, enter lusar-mgr.msc. Open the utility. Here you are going to go to Groups. Then, double-click on Administrators. You will click Add and then enter the username. You can click on Check Names to validate that it is available. Click OK to apply the changes. Finally, enter the name of the app in the search box. You are going to click on Open File Location. Now, you are going to right-click on the shortcut and click on Properties. After that, in the Security tab, click Edit. You are going to confirm that the administrator and system users have the full control option active. Click on OK. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.